All right, in this video, we are going to talk about one of my favorite tools that we've built, and that's called brand intelligence. Now, brand intelligence, think about this. This is really the core. This is kind of like our secret sauce behind how we do all of these things fully autonomously for your marketing campaigns. Now, there's a lot of other AI tools out there, and the big difference between ClickGrow and every other AI tool is every other AI tool is basically doing what I like to call level one scanning. Layer one, I like to call it, right? And what that really is you've probably seen these tools. Well, they'll do like a really basic scrape of your website, and they'll generate you an AI generated profile that might has like your contact information and maybe like a couple paragraphs about your business and your brand tone and things like that. And that's kind of where it stops. Well, with our technology, which is our proprietary technology that we spent a long time building, our technology is called Brand Intelligence. And what it does is it basically does a deep dive of your business starting from your website. So you'll go into Brand Intelligence, you'll click on Add New Business. And whenever we scan your website, the big difference is we're scanning dozens and dozens of different data points, not just your website. Most AI scanners will just like scan the homepage of your website and that'll be it. What we're doing is we're scanning every single page of your website. We're storing that data inside of a vector database, and then we are analyzing every single piece of your website. Plus, we are doing multiple different API calls to dozens and dozens of different networks, and we're basically pulling in everything we can learn about your business. And then once we have all of that information stored in our database, we then organize and architect this beautiful vector database, which gives us dozens and dozens of facts about your business. Things all the way from building your business profile, so like your basic information, your social media profiles, your industry and categories, your service areas, your business information, your brand voice. This is like layer one. But then we go into like actually scanning every single page on your website, creating a vector database of facts about your business. Now, these are physical things that we've learned about your business that are actually facts. And this is what we're using across all your marketing campaigns. That's why things like for social media posts, all of your posts are hyper personalized, because we basically embed in all of these facts about your business into our workflows that our automations then use to create hyper personalized content and images. So not only that, but we're also grabbing locations. If you have a business that have multiple locations, we'll grab that. We're grabbing your brand identity, which are things like, your logos, your favicons, your brand colors, your typography, your media assets, where we're going through every single one of your images and we're analyzing the image to understand more about your business, which will then be used later on in your marketing campaigns. Even things like if our scanner, or if you want to upload documents that maybe has information about your business, we'll take these, we'll scan through them, and we'll automatically update your content snippets. Your content snippets is basically the brain that is all the facts about your business. Think about that, right? Even things like creating an AI clone, which we'll talk about in later trainings, where you can basically clone yourself and use yourself in all other videos and images across the platform. And even if you have Intercom or Zendesk, which is an integration that we have coming soon, we can even tap straight into your help center and pull in and even learn more about your business. So this is what I like to call layer two, which is our brand intelligence technology, which, by the way, you can always update as well. We'll go into this on later trainings, but we generate all this within literally like 2 minutes of just you putting in your website. So this is the power of technology. This is what brand intelligence is, and this is the core of our marketing automations. I'll see you in the next video.